Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your trusted source for in-depth car and motorhome reviews, expert analysis, and the latest in automotive innovation. In this video, we take a detailed look at the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a futuristic blend of Scandinavian design, safety, and smart luxury, built for travelers who demand more than just mobility. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome redefines modern travel with its signature minimalist design and premium materials. On the exterior, it features a bold yet elegant silhouette with signature Thor hammer LED headlights, a wide panoramic windshield, and sleek aerodynamic lines that enhance both aesthetics and fuel efficiency. Built on a reinforced electric platform shared with Volvo's latest heavy-duty EV lineup, this motorhome boasts strength and sustainability in one innovative package. Powering the Volvo Motorhome is an all-electric dual-motor setup producing around 500 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque. This setup ensures smooth and quiet travel across cities, highways, and even rugged countryside terrain. The battery pack offers a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge, supported by fast charging capabilities that can replenish 80% battery in under 40 minutes. Regenerative braking and Volvo's advanced energy management system make the drive not just efficient but also intelligent. Inside, the cabin is a masterclass in Scandinavian luxury. Soft leather seats, real wood accents, and ambient LED lighting set a calming mood. The open-plan layout includes a spacious living room with a modular sofa, an extendable dining table, and large tinted windows that bring the outdoors in. The kitchen is fully equipped with energy-efficient appliances, including a convection oven, induction stove, and a smart refrigerator. High-grade insulation and air-purifying systems ensure year-round comfort in all climates. The bedroom features a queen-size bed with posture, support mattress, reading lights, and underbed storage. There's also a multifunctional bathroom with a rainfall shower, eco-flush toilet, and smart mirror with built-in health monitoring. Volvo has prioritized safety and convenience by integrating its advanced IntelliSafe suite, including adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance, blinds, spot alert, and driver fatigue monitoring. Tech lovers will appreciate the full smart home integration, allowing control over lighting, temperature, and security through voice command or mobile app. A large infotainment screen with built-in Google Assistant, navigation, and real-time weather and route updates enhances the driving and living experience. Connectivity is seamless with 5G hotspot, multiple charging ports, and wireless streaming across devices. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome stands out not just as a means of travel, but as a lifestyle statement. It combines environmental responsibility, comfort, and cutting-edge technology in a way only Volvo can deliver. Whether you're planning a cross-country adventure or a weekend retreat, this motorhome is ready to make the journey as memorable as the destination. For more expert reviews on the newest